We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to look at this Canon MX492. The problem we're having with it is when they're using the document feeder or the scan bed, it's leaving smudges or lines on the paper. So what we're going to do is open it up. And we're going to use glass cleaner on a lint-free rag. And we're going to put the glass cleaner directly on the rag itself, not on the glass. We don't want it to leak through and cause more problems. And we're just going to clean it off. Making sure that we get everything off of it. You need tape residue or anything. So once you're happy with it, we're going to close it back up. Now at this point we would run test pages through it, and as long as there's no line smudges, then we're okay. If there is line smudges, we're going to repeat this process until it's great.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.